Test drive the 2018 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, universal garage door opener, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.